Alright guys, this is a demonstration on Butler Newall number 2 on making sure that all the goodies work. So right now I have the machine in automatic with single block, and I will be demonstrating how everything comes on. Okay, it's just loaded all of its man readables. It's picking up its offset. Wheel head is coming into position. Work spindle is now coming on. I believe the next block, the wheel will come on. There you go, you can see it coming on. Next block will be coolant coming on, but due to the fact our coolant tank is less than full, I will show you the pump does come on. You will have a splash of coolant coming out of the nozzle, but I will instantly turn it off. Okay. Alright. Now I will show you back on the control and we will start the program. Okay, right now it's coming in 2 inches to a safe position. Okay, at this point we would manually bring the wheel, touch the part. It will in feed 1/10, then it will start its Z-axis feed. Now it will in feed 1 more tenth, and it will start its feed back to the right. Okay, just a wide view of the wheel head actually moving. It's feeding at 7.5 inches a minute, so I'm sure you can pick up its movement. You can still see the wheel running, spindle still turning. I will make one more movement back to the right. So you can see it's actually moving back the other direction. At this time I'm going to reset the machine, send everything back home manually. Thanks for watching.